In this video clip, we will provide a concise presentation of the capabilities of the PTC-2520 controller for testing of high-pressure fuel pumps (HPFP) of the common rail system. The controller is manufactured by the company DIESELTEST. The controller PTC-2520 allows for carrying out of procedures related to testing and control of high-pressure fuel pumps for the common rail system from various manufacturers: Bosch, Denso, Delphi, BDO Siemens, which can be installed on any diesel engine. The controller delivery set includes power cable, USB cable, cables for connection to high-pressure regulators, cable for connection to low-pressure regulators, various cables for pressure sensors. The following elements are housed on the front panel of the controller: power button for switching the unit on and off, RPM connector for connecting the RPM sensor, sense connector for connecting the pressure sensor, high connector for connecting the cable adapter to high-pressure regulators, low connector for connecting the cable adapter to pump dosing unit. The set also includes a user manual and CD with software. On the back panel of the controller, there are a USB connector for communication with PC, cooling fan, and connector for the power supply cable. The PTC-2520 can be installed on any pump testing stand. We will use the stand SPF 1108 manufactured by the company DIESELTEST for description of controller operation. The controller can be located in front of the stand or behind it. In the present case, we have placed it in front of the stand for convenience of demonstration. Connect the controller to 3 pressure regulators and pressure sensor installed in the stand rail. Connect the cable adapter to the pump dosing unit to be tested installed on the stand. Turn on the controller and establish communication through the USB interface. Connection of the controller is displayed in the software. Always check the correctness of stand hydraulic connections. The controller is now ready for operation in conjunction with the software and stand. Run the program. The program interface is displayed on the monitor screen. On the tab page CP Tester, both static and interactive information blocks are displayed. In order to carry out testing of the high-pressure fuel pump, press the button Open Test Plan. Choose the appropriate pump from the pop-up window that opens in the program window. Enter the pump number in the search filter. The program retrieves the search result from the database. Choose the pump of interest. Sequential steps of the test plan are displayed in the window. By switching between the test plan steps, you can see the parameters corresponding to the step in question, such as pump RPM, which are displayed in the program field Stand, general information regarding the pump, its direction of rotation, and number. Information on the current test plan with indication of the number of steps, priming pressure generated in the step in question, current and duty ratio, pressure value in the rail. Switch on the priming pump and generate the pressure required. Move to the program window Test Bench, in which the necessary RPM value for the test plan step can be set in order to conduct measurements in the measuring graduate part of the stand. In this case, 1000 RPM and test plan step efficiently. Launch the step. The controller will set the required flow and signal duty ratio for HPFP dosing unit. After expiry of the step timer, the controller will also set the required pressure in the rail. In case of this step, 1600 bar. At the end of the test plan step, or after the measurement interval indicated in the program window cycles, tab page Test Bench carry out measurements in the graduated cylinder. Press the Start button. For the next step of the test plan, Start, 180 RPM is required. Set the required RPM in the Test Bench tab page, Program Window RPM, and set the measurement cycle in the Program Window Cycles. Carry out measurements in the graduated cylinder. Press the Start button. It is more convenient to conduct the measurements using special liquid flow meters. For this purpose, the company DIESELTEST offers 2-channel flow meters of the FMDE series. This, however, is the subject of our next video clip. More detailed information on the PTC-2520 unit is always available from us or from our dealers. www.dieseltest.com